Even more creepy, the original note that came in the box, all the writing has disappeared. Okay, so just a precursor to this video. I was just, trying to mess around, make a cool video with this box I got, and weird stuff started happening. Alright, for one, my main camera, my DSLR, the sound kept cutting out. It was getting crackly, and then the sound just cut out altogether. And then right at 7 minutes and 6 seconds, the camera dies. Okay? Now think about this. 7 minutes and 6 seconds. 666. I'm not even fucking around. Alright, next weird thing, there's a bunch of weird bumps. The dog starts barking and going nuts. So anyways, obviously this is the only way I can explain the shitty video and sound quality, is I had to use my backup camera. I always keep the GoPro on there and keep it running about the same time. So there just wasn't any way to get the better video and the better sound, because it wasn't there. It was gone. Alright. Again, the camera died with a fresh battery at 7 minutes and 6 seconds. 666. Let's get to it. So, my buddy called me up and says, he's been digging around on that fucking deep dark web. He was on DuckDuckGo. He's fucking searching for a hitman, I guess, to take out his ex-wife. So he pays this guy fucking $10,000. Dude, just, whatever. So he gets the address. This guy's been sending him all kinds of weird shit in the mail. He's getting stuff from all over the place. He brings me this box. He says, you gotta open this up. I can't do it anymore, man. It's really messy. So, we got this box. We're gonna open it up. We're gonna see what's in here. I don't know. It's got like warnings on the box about the seal being broken, and it's like coming up pretty easy. I'm a little freaked out right now. Oh God. Oh God. Oh. The smell in this thing. There's blood in here. I can tell. I don't know if I even want to touch that yet. First thing. Talk about fucking creepy, dude. I don't even know where to begin. It's not Halloween. How would you get something like this in January? I mean, seriously, where would you get this? Okay. There's a note in here. But it's not written in ink. Like, I can kind of see through this. Right here it says, "You won't do it." And there's like some squiggly lines. Oh God. Back here it says, "Die, die, die, 666." And there's devil worshipping symbols in there. Oh God. I really hope they don't know that I have this box. What if I'm being trapped? I just shouldn't have done this. We should have burned the box. I don't know. Let me see if you can see this. It's really weird. There, you can see it's like the ink shows through the light. There we go. It's really, I don't understand. What is this? I sure hope this is not a tracking device. I think we've got some kind of paranormal activity going on. The dog's starting to bark. Oh, I don't even know. There's something weird here. What if this is tracking us? What was that? See, the dog's even freaking out. What is that? She's barking at it. Oh, Jesus. You are not going to believe this. There are 2 real guns in here that have clipazines in them. Look, you can see the clipazine. This is... Oh! I don't even know what to do with this. Smith & Wesson. Has anybody ever heard of that? Clipazines. I just don't know. Here's the worst of it. Some kind of bloody rag. Oh. These guns though, what do I do? What about this? Maybe if somebody knows what this is. I think this is like a cassette, like you used to put in the stereo in your car, like, you know, like a long time ago, like the things they'd use, they had the little things, you know. This maybe it's a cassette, you put it in your stereo. I don't know. Comment down below if you guys know what it is. Maybe we can get, you know, some kind of information off of it. It looks technical. Maybe that'll be a part 2. What do you think? There's more in here, but I honestly don't think I can show this on camera. I just can't. This is insane. Alright. So, we know there's real guns in here. I don't know what this is. Maybe you guys, I don't know. Here it is though. You know, every mystery box has to have one of these. SanDisk SD card. Well, I guess that's it for my first mystery box. What's that? I just keep hearing things, and the dog's going nuts. You know, they pick up things a little better than we do. She won't even go near the bloody rag. I keep hearing a thumping noise out there. What is it? There's nothing there. I'm not doing these anymore. Fuck this shit. Fuck this shit.